Hello students, friends, followers, especially I'm talking to students. They have been asking me about the painting exhibitions, how to exhibit their artwork. I'm going to tell you some important things. If you want your artwork to be exhibited somewhere, then you have to follow what I'm going to tell you. Usually students and new artists think that government has to exhibit their artwork. It's not true. You don't need to go to any government office to exhibit your artwork. Because when I was an amateur artist and I started painting, and I just started visiting government offices to exhibit my artwork. But when now I realize what the truth is, how to get exhibited well. There are some points I'm going to raise. I'm going to let you write on the paper. First of all, you have to do standardized artwork. You have to make quality artworks. You have to work harder on your paintings. You have to, if you are going to make a good artwork, then that will be able to be seen. People will ask about the artwork. People will look at the artwork, what you have painted, what you have done. A good theme work, a good object, still life, whatever you are going to paint, that will be in good quality. Number two, in a good size. I discussed this thing in many videos, that a good size painting is able to be sold. Number three, the quantity of paintings must be more than 25, 30, and all the paintings should be in an equal size. If you are going to make 25 paintings, all paintings should be in one size, equal size. If one painting is 2 feet higher, 2 feet dimensions, then all the paintings must be in 2 feet dimensions. So you have to work on these things. Then you have to take place. You have to find the place. A marquee, a hall on the rent, adventurous places where people come and make events, a public place like parks, a roadside area, a street area where normally people come and see. You don't need to go any government office, because first you have to stand on your own feet. Government will help you. Government has been working on for artists, but you have to work with your own. Government has been working very good for artists. But what are artists doing for themselves? Public places should be just like art galleries. You just have to on rent. You have to have any place on rent, like where usually colleges and schools have functions, in halls and marquees and public places and parks. If you want to go to park for exhibition, then you have to contact park authorities. In every city and every country there are some parks and horticulture authorities. You just have to a permission of the government for that. But your exhibition must be at a public place. If you are not going to exhibit your artwork in any park, then you have to go in a hall, a marriage hall, a marquee. The marquee that is very easily accessible for the people. Then you just have to go to that marquee that the place. Then you have to have some easels where you have to put your artwork on, or you have to stick your canvases on the walls. You have to maintain a very decorated exhibition. Must be organized by you. Then you have to advertise with your own budget. You have to advertise your exhibition, banners, skins, flexes in the corners of the cities. You have to utilize your personal relations. You have to call the people. They will be coming to see your artwork. Then you will get a crowd, and then find somebody who is related to art profession, a good artist. He or she should be the chief guest. Don't call any chief guest that is not related to art. If I call a famous doctor, a deputy commissioner like blob, deputy commissioner is a good if he can come, but these are very busy designations. You should prior an artist in art exhibition being a chief guest. If he comes, then after that, when you call all your contacts, then you have to approach media, mainstream media and social media. Call them that is this is the date, this is the venue, you have to be there. Media will be coming to cover them, because our art is to be covered anywhere. Art is, because art is the need of society. Art is the need of media, need of government. Artists are soft and sensitive persons. You are an artist. You have to be seen. You have to get exhibited. Your paintings are to get exhibited. If you are not going to exhibit your paintings, then what are you going to do in your future? People should buy your paintings. These are some tips that I was just willing to share with you. Wherever you are from, Pakistan, India, other countries, you just support art. If you like somebody's art, somebody's video, you just have to share it and like it. But I'm not that sort of artist that say like my channel, like my video, whatever. If you want to, then do it. If you don't want to, let's let it go. Okay. If you have any sort of question regarding art, you may ask in the comments. You may ask in my number that is given in the description. Thank you so much.